Hello and welcome to another mobile
Data review. Hi and welcome to another Mobile Data unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox the iPhone XR, the mid-ranger by Apple this year. Mid-ranger quotation marks, that is. Alright, let's crack the box open and see what's inside. Inside the box, first up we have these this paperwork. It's standard paperwork by Apple. Here's the SIM tray tool also. And yeah, your standard paperwork. Next up, here's the phone itself. But for now, we'll leave the phone aside. Next up inside the box, there are headphones here. So these are your in-ear headphones, your Apple AirPods, which are connected via the lightning port on the bottom of the phone. Next up, here's the charging and data transfer cable, again type A to lightning port connector, and a charger, your typical, I would say, Apple branded charger. That would be pretty much everything. Let's boot it up and see what this really phone looks like. This phone comes in this gorgeous, really nice white color with these this metal frame, but sadly only one camera sensor. But more on that a little bit later. Another, we'd say, sort of flaw about this phone is that it has somewhat thicker bezels compared to its cousins, you know, the XS and XS Max. But really, stay tuned for the full review where we'll talk about everything there is to say about this phone.